Good Friday morning. We are tracking just a few light rain showers here early this morning. And once the rain comes to an end, we're right back to the gray and gloomy skies once again today. And that sticks around through Saturday as well. Saturday could also bring some patchy drizzle first thing in the morning. So let's go ahead and skip ahead to Sunday if we can, because, well, Sunday will be the best day we've seen in quite a while. In fact, dating probably all the way back for more than a month to the later part of December. So something to look forward to for the second half of the weekend. Again, still tracking some light rain showers through parts of southern Illinois right now. Goreville dealing with one of the heavier pockets of rain. You see it going into the yellow there. That will track right up Highway 45 over towards, say, Creel Springs and Harrisburg and likely Stone Fort here in just a little while. And then further to the west, also still through Alexander and Pulaski County. Just some steady rain continuing to fall. These rain showers will be around through at least about mid-morning. By lunchtime, most of the rain starting to come to an end, but also parts of southeast Missouri dealing with some of those light rain showers. Live view from Marion and the rain continuing to fall across the area. Route 13, 148 there in the distance. Use caution driving this morning. We do have a lot of wet roads out there, and we do see accidents increase as we see more and more in the way of rain. Right now, 35 in Mount Vernon, 35 in Marion, 39 though in Paducah, 37 in Sikeston, so a few degrees warmer than yesterday morning. And yes, we are talking about all rain, no snow around here. There is some snow falling out across parts of northern and central parts of Illinois and back into central Indiana this morning. If you're doing any traveling, a little weak disturbance to our south helping to generate some of this rain around here this morning. Another disturbance out to our west and northwest. Cold front going to approach first thing tomorrow morning, could bring some patchy drizzle, but again, not expecting much in the way of actual measurable rain over the next couple of days. So rain starts to exit pretty quickly by lunchtime today. It's out of here, and by about 3-4 o'clock today, just a lot of overcast skies, very light winds, almost nearly calm. And then here comes that weak disturbance first thing on Saturday morning. Notice a couple of light rain showers here on the model near the Wabash Valley. I won't be surprised we end up with some patchy drizzle across the entire region. Shouldn't last real long on Saturday. By Saturday afternoon, it's out of here. Still dealing with a lot of clouds. There is a chance that towards the second half of the day, especially towards sunset on Saturday, we could start to see some of the sunshine work its way out. Best chances of that occurring will likely be in southeast Missouri. Not expecting much of that in western Kentucky or southern Illinois. Lunchtime temperature today about 40 degrees, overcast skies. 3 p.m. will be into the low to mid 40s, and then this evening cloudy skies will stick around. We won't drop back below freezing until very late tonight, though. Midnight hovering about 35 degrees. Here's the big warm up on the way. That arrives as we get into the second half of the weekend. Today, low to mid 40s across the area. Same story for tomorrow as well. But by Sunday, big changes. Upper 50s, low 60s, lots of sunshine. I know that's what a lot of folks have been waiting on here, and it looks like we'll get that here, at least even nicely falling on a weekend. So 46 for Saturday, 59 on Sunday. I really think there's a chance that we get into the low 60s in a few spots on Sunday afternoon. Mild weather sticks around through Monday, Tuesday, but another sharp cool down on the way for the second half of next week. Some drizzle possible Saturday morning. Sunshine, though, for Groundhog Day on Sunday. Winds will pick up on Monday and Tuesday. Showers starting to enter back into the forecast by Monday night. Tuesday looking like a pretty wet day, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. We could even see some of those raindrops switch over to snowflakes on Wednesday and maybe even a few snow showers for the second half of next week. So some big changes on the way. We have been socked in the clouds. I know there's just a lot. They don't even care if it's warm at this point.
Socked in the clouds.
Yeah, there's a lot of folks. They don't even care if it's been warm at this point. They just really want to see the sunshine. We're going to get both in here later this weekend.
I look forward to that sunshine. I'll tell you what, right